Hello everyone, my name is Adrienne Bunderson, and this is my nonprofit website. The topic that I chose for my nonprofit was water conservation in Utah. And I picked this topic because Utah is in a severe drought right now, and I wanted to learn more about how to mitigate it. So the main thing that I want people to do after they go to my website is to xeriscape, which is a type of landscape design that requires little to no irrigation, and then share about their xeriscaping. And I want people to share because I believe that the main thing keeping people from xeriscaping is tradition and social stigma. If you have a green lawn, you're seen as wealthy, and everyone dreams of having a green lawn and a picket fence when they get older. So I want to change that dream to include xeriscaping. The main design decisions behind my website, I have a 4-column scheme going on. This one has the 2 middle, these 2 split it evenly, and this one has all 4, and this one's a 1-2-1. And I wanted every section just to be a little bit different so that it will keep people engaged as they go through. These 2 split evenly, but this one, just the top section right here, just has a paragraph, and this section has an accordion on the right side, and that just keeps it different and keeps it fun. Okay, and my font, I used a sans serif for all my paragraphs, and I used the sans serif because that's the easiest thing to read online, and I didn't want people to have any trouble. And then my header font is a modern font. It's progressive because I want people to think progressive when they look at this website. And my color scheme, I grabbed this red orangey color from my hero image down here. It's a very traditional Utah color, really makes sure this website is about Utah. Then I have this blue color up in my logo that I repeat throughout my page. It is on the divider underneath every single header in each section, and I also have it on my action button at the end. And this blue color signifies water, which is what I really want to conserve. The thing that I learned the most about while making this website was how to use nth child selectors with CSS. I use them to grab all of my alternating sections, to put this background color on. I use them to fix the padding between my dividers, my headers, and my font because those were all funky for some reason, so I had to make sure they were even. And I also used nth child to make one of these circle images disappear when my website got smaller because it looked funky with 2. And the thing that was hardest on my website was changing the border between my sections to have this shadow effect. I didn't want a straight line because this is all about nature, so I had to go in and figure out how to do that. I eventually figured it out by using box shadow, but I had to use a radius to get it the density that I needed it, and that messed up all of my spacing between my sections. So I had to put box shadow under, box shadow above, and then fix all of my padding so it was still equal. But I learned a lot doing it and had fun. Thanks everyone for watching my video about my website. I hope you liked it.